How to enter foreign tax credit in TurboTax. So first you want to go to the TurboTax website and sign into your account. Now from the left side panel under Federal Income, Wages and Salaries, you would basically need to enter your foreign income. You can usually scroll down and find the foreign earned income and exclusion. And then you can start or revisit edit by clicking this button here, and then continue through this prompt to fill out all the required informations. And then you would need to go to deductions and credits from the left side here, and then select deductions and credits summary. Now from this page here, you want to look for estimates and other taxes paid. And if you can't find it right here, you can basically click on the search and type the name like that, and it should bring up this section right here. And from this section, you want to select foreign tax credits and click on the start or revisit edit button next to it. And then you will need to choose take a credit when asked credit or deduction, and continue through the process and add the country and enter the foreign taxes paid. And then you would need to continue through the prompts until you reach the foreign tax credit summary. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.